So hi guys, this is Ranjit, and Samsung just announced these Samsung Galaxy A9 devices, which are actually having this quad camera setup, which is according to Samsung the first in the smartphone industry. And let me quickly give you a overview about this. And yes, this is like the elder brother to the Galaxy A7, but I'm glad that this was actually coming with the Snapdragon 660 SoC. So let's quickly have a look at these devices, and I'll share my very quick opinions about the same. So guys, these are the device, but before I show you the device, let me actually talk about the colors also. As you can see, the colors are a little bit different. This one actually has a gradient, and this one is known as the lemonade blue color. This is the most interesting one that I've noticed. As you can see on the top, it looks like yellow, and bottom it changes the color. And this is the bubblegum pink. I'm not very sure if they launched this in India, and yes, we'll come back to the cameras. It has that 4-camera setup, and the other color is the regular black one, but this has slight grayish tint. And now if we talk about, I'll just keep these to the side, let's bring this device, and it also has that always on display because it's an AMOLED screen that they are giving. So it's a full HD plus screen, so again AMOLED screen that Samsung gives, so no issues regarding that. And as you can see, it's a full HD plus screen, and if we go up the top, we have a secondary noise cancellation microphone over here, and on this end we have the volume rockers, power button, and bottom firing speaker. USB Type-C, I'm very happy about that. Finally USB Type-C that we are getting. And we also have the headphone jack, and just the extra key, that is the Bixby key we get. I like that we have a rare physical fingerprint scanner here on this one. On the A7 it was on the power button, but this is a better position according to me. And we have that quad camera setup, which I think so is the biggest thing about this one. And the first one is actually 8 megapixel ultra wide, that is having 120-degree wide vision. The second one is actually a 10 megapixel, which is a 2x telephoto lens, and both have aperture of f2.4. The main one is a 24 megapixel. This has an aperture of f1.7, and last is the 5 megapixel that will be used for depth. Again, I was worried that Samsung would omit the front facing camera, but that's also good. Like the Galaxy A7, this one is also a 24 megapixel, so you don't have to worry about it. And they also say that this one is also going to have Dolby Atmos audio. And the battery, the phone is not heavy guys, though it's having that 4-camera setup, and the battery is also 3800 milliamp hour. And to give you a very quick idea about it, guys, this is the camera setup. As you can see, we have these modes right now. If we go over here, this is the 2x zoom first. As you can see, it's zooming in quite a bit, and this is your regular 24 megapixel, and the shutter speed is fast because it's running on the Snapdragon 660 SoC. And this is your wide angle lens, and you can also hit this to get that ultra wide stuff, as you can see very quickly. Again, you can check out the samples that I posted on A7. It'll be very similar to that, apart from this 2x that we are getting. And we also have that live focus for that blurring and stuff that we have seen in earlier Samsung. Guys, again, this is not the retail unit, so don't want to comment too much about the camera performance and other stuff. This smartphone will also launch in India, hopefully by next month. And when I get that unit, I'll definitely try to test it. I'm happy that we are going to get the Snapdragon 660 SoC. And in terms of memory and storage also, it'll have 6 gigabytes of RAM and 128 gigabytes of storage. There is also rumored that there'll be one more model with 8 gigabytes of RAM and 128 gigabytes of storage. I'm not very sure if that will launch in India. So guys, this was a very quick first look at the Samsung Galaxy A9. So what do you guys think about this and the trend of having about 4 rear-facing cameras? So again guys, I will be posting my in-depth review or the camera reviews when I officially get the Indian unit. So again, stay tuned for that. Hopefully we should be getting that around the November time frame. Anyways guys, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. This is Ranjit, and I hope to see you in my next video. Take care guys.